If your throttle cable comes out of its seat at the throttle control, it's a sure sign that the cable needs to be adjusted or replaced. If this only happens when you lower the lever to full idle, then it's likely a matter of adjustment. To correct the issue, you will need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver with a long shank, a 10mm socket with extension, and a pair of needle nose pliers. Start by taking a look at how your throttle cable is presently functioning. Bring the throttle lever on your handlebar to the full throttle position and check to make sure that the carburetor control arm is contacting the horizontal high-speed screw. This screw has been set at the factory for a maximum speed of 3600 RPMs and should never need adjusting. Now lower the throttle lever to its lowest position and confirm that the carburetor arm has moved to its idle position. The gray manual arm should be all the way to the right. If it's not, one possibility is that the tension nut located at the pivot point of the control arm is a bit too tight. To test this, make sure the throttle lever is lowered to full idle. Leave the gray lever in its rightmost position. Loosen the tension nut a quarter of a revolution and see if the control arm moves back toward the muffler to its full idle position. Repeat until it does, and when it does, operate the throttle lever up and down to see if the cable continues to come out of its seat when the lever is lowered all the way to full idle. If it doesn't, your job is complete. If, however, the cable continues to come out of its seat, the inner cable has stretched a bit and needs to be adjusted. Start by lowering the throttle lever to full idle. Then, from the muffler side, use your pliers to grab the cable and hold it still while you loosen the Phillips head screw that secures the inner cable to the carburetor's throttle control arm. Pull the inner cable until it's straight, but not too taut, and tighten the screw to secure this position. Start the engine and test to verify that the throttle control arm now travels to both its full throttle and full idle positions. At full idle, you should no longer be able to remove the cable from its seat up at the throttle lever. If the cable continues to come out of its seat at this or any other throttle position, then the cable is likely kinked and needs to be replaced. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more. To contact us about the content of this video, please call 1-800-543-1040 or email info@bcsamerica.com. Thank you.